What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're doing a quick drone footage of the River Island down in Lathrop, California, giving you guys a quick drone view of the area and kind of giving you guys an updated progress of River Island and seeing how everything is going. Recently, guys, they've just released the high school for students and whatnot. But just want to give you guys a quick drone footage of the area. Guys, this is a growing community, and one of the thing here is the Northern California Master Plan, and it holds about 15,000 homes, over 4 million square foot of commercial space, 10 different schools, and this area really offer a really beautiful lifestyle of water futures, right? So it's a live, work slash shop around, play around area, right? What they feature this area, the thing about this area is that it's a waterfront lifestyle, right? There's quite a bit of man-made lake. It's right across from the San Joaquin River, and there's about 13 man-made lake in this community. And it gives you guys this waterfront vibe, right? There's neighborhood like the Sky, the Carpi. Yeah, we toured all the builders here, like the Taylor Morrison, the Leonard, the Tri-Point, all of it, right? But right now you're kind of getting a good idea of the land and the development and all that good stuff. But yeah, it gives you kind of a peaceful vibe, right? So that the house over here, it kind of ranges between 500,000 all the way to like 2 million, and really depends on what you get, right? The bedroom size are around 3 to 6 bedroom, and then it ranges all the way up to like 4,000 square feet. So we've toured all of that. Go ahead and check it out. One of the builder that we like is the Pote Homes. They have some beautiful waterfront, San Joaquin River waterfront view, so that's really nice. Same with the Taylor Morrison and all that good stuff. But yeah, there's quite a bit of activities going on. It has one of the best rating schools, so later on we'll be able to fly through the high school. They just recently released the high school, just so that you guys can see it. But it's one of the top-notch Banta Unified School District. It's pretty much from K1 to K2 to 8th grade, and then they just released their high school. So it's the River Island High School, and it's one of the best high school there is. And a lot of people like to live here because it's family oriented, and it's not too far away from the Bay Area, right? It's about an hour drive, and for those that aren't don't mind that commute, they get a nice peaceful community, and with quite a bit of land, and the drive is not so bad, right? But yeah, it's super close. It's right in the center between San Francisco, Silicon Valley, and Sacramento. So if you have work in those three area, it's like right in the center, so it's not too far away. And you can jump onto the I-5 and the 205 and just connect to the freeway and move, right? It's a growing community, guys, and they're growing, and there's a town center, there's a park, and there's retails and all that good stuff. It's not too far away from like Manteca or Tracy or anything like that, so you can always make your Costco runs or whatnot there if you need to. And guys, and as currently as it stand, as of March of 2024, currently we're in 2025 right now, the price range, the medium home price range for this is around 897,000, and homes in this area are selling for about $299 per square foot. And this area is cooling off just because there's quite a bit of land and a lot of people are developing here. And in order for you to sell, if you're in a market thinking about selling your home, it takes on average about 47 days, right? But the buyers are cooling down, just because there's a lot of builders developing and all that good stuff here. But nonetheless, there's a lot of people that are still moving to this area. It's pretty reasonable and it's pretty affordable compared to moving really close to the bay, right? But this area, it used to be a farmland, and it used to be in a flooded area. But they remodeled everything, and they did a lot of excavations, and they added a lot of systems and drainage and all that stuff. So it improved and it gotten a lot better than what it was before. So we highly recommend this area just because it's nice, peaceful, and quiet. It gives you that water vibe, right? When you're living there. The only downside is that it's pretty far away from like the main international airport like Oakland and San Francisco, but they're working on the Stockton airport, so it's not so bad, right? So Stockton airport is growing, so this is a really good area for it has a lot of potential, right? This area, Manteca, Tracy, all of that, right? So it just gives you a good idea of what's going on in this area. But what we want to do is we want to show you guys like the land, right? All the development, potential development, and all that good stuff. So, but anyways, that's pretty much it for the drone footage. And guys, do check out our master playlist for the River Island Lathrop community. We toured all the builders, and I love these docks, right? These water docks and all that good stuff. It's fantastic. Anyways, if you guys have any questions regarding about this site, let us know. We'd love to help you guys out. We'd love to meet with you guys. In this area. Another thing that what we liked is that there's no HOA here. That's a beautiful thing. They added the tax to the the higher taxes, 1.9 around roughly, versus the HOA. So that's a lot better. Anyways, yeah, reach out to us if you guys are interested in touring this site. We'd love to meet with you guys. Other than that, this is James. We're going to be signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.